Hi, welcome to today's class and today's lesson, direct objects and compound direct objects. By the end of this lesson, we'll learn about the direct object and how to find the direct object. We will learn about the compound direct object, and we will solve an activity together where we have to underline the direct objects in a sentence and the compound direct objects in sentences. Now, let's start by defining a direct object. What is a direct object? A direct object is a noun or pronoun that receives the action of the verb. It's also the person or thing being acted on by the verb. How to find the direct object? To find the direct object, 1. Say the subject. 2. Say the verb. 3. Ask what or whom. What receives the action of the verb? Let's find the direct object together. Liz performed 2 acts on stage. First, say the subject. Who's the subject? Who's doing the action? Liz. Say the verb. What's the verb here? Performed. Subject is Liz, verb is performed. Number 3, say what or whom. What did Liz perform? Acts. Liz performed 2 acts on stage. The direct object is acts. Compound direct object. A sentence may have 2 direct objects. This is called a compound direct object. For example, the waiter placed the plates and utensils on the table. The 2 direct objects here are plates, utensils. Plates and utensils. This is a compound direct object. Now let's solve an activity together. Underline the direct objects in each sentence. Let's try to solve the first 3 sentences together, and you solve the rest on your own. Number 1. The teacher graded 3 tests. So first we identified the subject. Say the subject. Teacher is the subject. Yes, teacher. Verb, graded. The verb is graded. What did the teacher grade? Tests. The teacher graded tests. The direct subject here is tests. Yes. Number 2. The doctor examined a patient in the morning. Say the subject. The subject is doctor. The doctor is doing the action. What's the action? Examined. Examined is the action verb. What did the doctor examine? Patient. Patient is the direct object. Number 3. Our family eats tacos on Tuesday. What's the subject here? Family. What about the verb? Eats. What does our family eat on Tuesday? Tacos, yes. Tacos is the direct object. Now you solve the rest on your own, the way we just did. After you finish and write down your answers on a piece of paper or in your notes, compare your answer to this answer key. Now in this activity, you have to underline the compound direct objects in each sentence. We will solve the first 3 sentences as well. Number 1. My friend hid the soda and cookies in the closet. Identify the subject. Friend. Friend is the subject. What is the verb? Hid. Hid is the verb. What did my friend hide in the closet? Soda and cookies. Exactly. Soda and cookies are the compound direct objects. Soda is a direct object, cookies is a direct object. Same thing, number 2. We ran to the park and basketball court. We is the subject, ran is the verb. Now we ask our question. Where did we run to? Park and basketball court. Park is a direct object and basketball is a direct object. Together, park and basketball are compound direct objects. Number 3. My sister went to school and church on Monday. Sister is the subject. Went is the verb. Now we ask our question. Where did my sister go to on Monday? School and church. Yes, school and church are compound direct objects. Now you solve the rest just like we did now. Pause this video and write your answers in a copybook or in your notes. And after you're done, compare your answers to this answer key over here. That was all for this lesson. Thank you for listening.